Let's see if you can guess the rest. This intelligent marine animal is known for its playful behavior, and it communicates with clicks and whistles. The answer is dolphin. This bird is often associated with Thanksgiving, and it's known for its gobbling sound. The answer is turkey. This aquatic mammal is known for its flippers, and it's often seen lounging on rocks or beaches. The answer is seal. This Arctic animal is known for its large tusks, and it has a thick mustache of whiskers. The answer is walrus.